Your front yard is more than just an entrance to your home. It's the first impression, a reflection of your personal style, and a space that can add warmth and character to your home's curb appeal. Whether you're a gardening novice or someone with a green thumb, choosing the right plants for your front yard can feel like a big decision. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into some of the most popular, most searched, and most loved plants that are guaranteed to transform your front yard into a stunning oasis. From bold, flowering vines to low-maintenance shrubs, we'll help you find the perfect plants to create that welcoming, vibrant space you've always wanted. Hydrangeas. Next up, hydrangeas. These stunning flowering shrubs have been trending on Google for their lush blooms and vibrant colors. Hydrangeas can change color based on soil pH, giving you a range of hues from pink to blue to white. They're great for softening the edges of your garden beds and adding a romantic, cottage-style feel to your yard. In the summer, their blooms steal the show, making them a front yard favorite. Lavender is another popular search, especially for those who love both fragrance and beauty. This hardy, drought-tolerant plant adds a soft purple hue to your garden and gives off a calming scent that fills the air. It's perfect for sunny spots and pairs well with other perennials or shrubs. Plus, lavender is a magnet for bees and butterflies, helping to bring more life into your garden. Ornamental grasses. For a more modern touch, ornamental grasses are increasingly being searched for front yard landscaping. Feather reed grass, fountain grass, and others add texture, height, and movement to your yard. These grasses sway gently with the wind, creating a dynamic, ever-changing display. Best of all, they're incredibly low maintenance. Once established, they thrive with very little care. Marigolds and Petunias. Marigolds and petunias are perfect for bringing bold, bright colors to your front yard. Marigolds, with their rich orange and yellow hues, are known to repel pests, making them both beautiful and functional. Petunias, on the other hand, bloom in a wide variety of colors and thrive in full sunlight. These flowers are easy to grow and maintain, making them a go-to for beginner gardeners who want vibrant blooms all season long. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is the ultimate showstopper for anyone looking to add an explosion of color to their front yard. This hardy, flowering vine produces vibrant pink, purple, red, or orange bracts that can transform fences, trellises, or walls into a tropical paradise. Bougainvillea thrives in warm, sunny locations and, once established, requires minimal watering, making it both beautiful and easy to care for. It's perfect for adding height and drama to your front yard. Whether you're looking for classic shrubs, fragrant flowers, or bold, colorful vines, these popular front yard plants are sure to enhance your curb appeal and bring a touch of natural beauty to your home. So, which one will you be planting next?